Good morning and welcome to the second grade semester awards. Next we have Patsy leading the pledge.
Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
First award goes for Parker Hamilton, Good Citizenship. Most Confident, Hunter Woods. Future Scientist, Ethan Madden. He's not here today. Most Improved, Leo Sandoval. Math Whiz, Reagan Gallagher. Biggest Bookworm, Tressa Malone. Most Athletic, Lincoln Williams. Most Artistic, Allie Riley. Best Listener, Laylee Blevins. Best Friend to All, Cohen Bowen. Most Likely to Be Smiling, Layla Debbie. Most Likely to Brighten Up Your Day, Luna Goldames. Classroom Leader, Charlie Staffen. Most Thoughtful, Sophie Wheeler. Best Team Player, Lane Livingston. Awesome Attitude, Kenley Walls. She's not here right now. Hardest Worker, Aiden Evans. Congratulations. Reading All-Star, Peyton Hoagland. Congratulations. Computer Whiz, Vance Singleton. Good job. Excellent Effort, Nathan Callahan. Good job. Perfect Attendance, Charlie Staffen. Perfect Attendance, Ray Gallagher. Perfect Attendance, Tressa Malone. Perfect Attendance, Allie Riley. Okay, good job. And that's our awards for Miss Moore's class, second grade class. Thank you. Miss Detwilder, Miss Lucas.
My math whiz is Ashton Dameron. My computer whiz is Brendan Gregg. Most likely to brighten your day is Alaris Sexton. My best friend to all belongs to Bella Wagner. The most athletic award goes to Jace Kuhn. The most artistic award goes to Kanan Mothmer. Most confident belongs to Morgan Wurzball. Most thoughtful is Amaya Crawford Dornsbush. Sightward Wizard is Easton Leadham. Best team player is Landon Estep. The person to most likely to always be smiling is Elijah Woods. My future scientist is Mr. Samuel White. Most organized belongs to Layla Mitchell. Best listening ears goes to Caleb Sova. My most improved is Micah Strasbaugh. Hardest worker is Ashton Klein. The Good Citizen Award goes to Miss Adeline Cooper. And the person who could replace me any day, I gave the Future Award teacher to Avery Glandon. All right, give these guys a round of applause. I will be handing out Mrs. Kroll's awards to her boys and girls. Sophia Weber is most artistic. Great job. Most athletic, Eli Deal. Best friend to all, Easton Gephardt. Reading All-Star, Jade Gillespie. Most likely to brighten your day, Sierra Davis. Future teacher, Patsy Branscombe. They knew it. Hardest worker, Johnny Fuller. Most improved, Maddox Hager. Best listener, Kaylin Owens. Most organized, Mary Grace Coggis. Future scientist, Aiden Johnson. Best team player, Landon Williamson. Good citizen, Riley Brown. Awesome attitude, Bailey Dennis. Most likely to be smiling, Gabriella Cunningham. Most responsible, Lucas Madalinsky. Excellent effort, Eddie Newman. Math whiz, Brennan Hoops. And most thoughtful, Levi Taylor. All right, perfect attendance awards, Patsy Branscombe. We can get it apart. Good job. Levi Taylor. Dwayne Eddie Newman. Lucas Madalinsky. Maddox Hager. Johnny Fuller. Bailey Dennis. Sierra Davis. Mary Grace Coggis. And Landon Williamson. Good job, boys and girls.
We would like to thank you for coming. It's a great day to be a Bearcat.
I thank my grandma and my papa because they do everything for me. I want to thank my teacher.
I like to thank my teachers and my family.
My mom and dad, because if it weren't for them, I wouldn't be here. I like to thank you guys for all coming out and making us feel really special and watching us get these awards.
And thank you to my aunt and Jen teacher.
Thank you, Miss Detweiler, and thank you, Miss Kronk.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Moore, and Mom, I hope you see this.
Thank you, Mom, for taking care of me.
I'd like to thank my mom and dad. Thank you, Mom, for picking me up after school.
Thank you, Mrs. Pearl, for helping me with math. Thank you, Mom, for helping me do my homework. Thank you, Mom, for giving me shelter and helping me on my homework. Thank you, Dad, for helping for school. Thank you, Mom, for helping me on my homework.
Thank you, Mom, for always being there for me. Thank you, Mrs. Pearl, for helping me read.
Thank you, Mrs. Pearl, for helping me with work.
Thank you, Dad, for making me better at math and better at reading before I go to school.
Thank you, Miss Pearl, for helping me do math. Thank you, Mom, for helping me with school and giving me food and shelter. I want to thank everybody for coming, all the teachers that help us learn every single day.